So I decided to take you with me on my journey. So gonna be short videos with a lot of bullshit. So I'm flying to India, to Delhi with Jet Airways, leaving these chillers behind. Business class, of course, so lounge access. That moment that they announced to go boarding and priority lane has to go first, like me, and everybody gets up and gets in line. Why? Anyway, I just bought this shake. I actually didn't buy it, I got it for free, but it was a €6.10. In India, I can buy the whole juice stand for that money.
Seat is 90.
I love so good moments when the whole plane is watching what you're doing.